Alright, welcome to an unboxing and test drive video. So in this video today we're going to be unboxing and test driving my brand new Bright RC Corvette. This is the C8 the C8 Corvette. And watch what happens when I push. See, the lights work. So we got working lights on the car so I can drive it at night. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So it looks like here we have a couple. This looks like we got some looks like we got a little bit of tape here we got to remove. So we're gonna go ahead and grab us a pair of scissors here so we can cut that tape. So we're just gonna simply go ahead and just do this. And the flap should open right up. So we got another one here, so we're going to go ahead and do that. So do we have a third one? Okay. So we're going to go ahead and set the scissors off to the side for now. And we're going to go ahead and open up our box here. Just like this. Oh, we got another. So we got another flat, we got another little piece of tape here we got to cut. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And there we go. It should come right open, which in this case it did. They definitely put a lot of tape on here, so I'm going to pause you guys for a sec just till we get the tape off. Alright, so we went ahead and got the tape off here, so now we're going to go ahead and bring out the vehicle. So before we do that, we just go ahead and bring our transmitter out right here. So this is our transmitter that comes with the vehicle. And also you get 2 AA batteries for the transmitter. So we're going to go ahead and bring that out of the package here. So, you want to be careful not to damage your vehicle. That's the number one priority with RC and even scale cars. You do not want to damage your vehicle. So I'm going to go ahead here and, okay, we got some more tape we got to cut here. Alright, so that should just come right out. So yes, it's been a while. My other Corvettes, we were originally going to do my 2 RCC7s, but they broke. And I wanted to do a Corvette related video, because I'm a big fan of them. So we're going to go ahead and set our packaging off to the side for right now. And we're going to just go ahead and just take a look at the vehicle. So anyway, this is the car itself. So you can see here, this is a 112 scale model. So you can see here we got working lights. So if you just push on the side here, the lights come on. So you can see they work really well. So I'm definitely looking forward to this test drive. And this is the Stingray. So C8 Stingray is what we got here today. So we're going to go ahead and take a look underneath here and see if there's anything that we need to remove along with, oh, okay. So we got a little bit more tape here. Or in this case, should be able to put my hand. Alright, got it as best as I could. So hopefully it should just be able to come right off. Yep, just like that, came right off. So we're going to go ahead and put the rest of our packaging off to the side. So we're going to put it all in the box. So that way we can just, toss it all in one piece. So let's go ahead and get our batteries out here so we can put them in the transmitter. So you guys can see you got 2 AA batteries with your transmitter. So that's the nice thing about New Bright and their products is all batteries are included. Let's go ahead and This thing here. So we're going to stick it all in here for now, so that way we can just easily toss it, you know, right after the video is finished. So you can see here's the car itself, which we're going to go ahead here and take a closer look at in just a moment here. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove the rest of the tape. It should be a pretty easy job. So we also got our, you know, good old USB charging cable. So I meant to do an RC helicopter video. Last time I was at Walmart, I got the Skyrover Knife Force, and I forgot to do an unboxing video and initial test flight. So I still have the original packaging for the helicopter. So we might take a quick look at the... Oh, Pablo's trying to photobomb us. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unscrew these 3 tabs here. So you just want to take these off before your vehicle is ready. So yes, another thing about the C8 Corvettes is that they're mid-engine cars. They're just like the Lamborghini, Ferrari. Okay, so now we're looking at the car itself. So we're going to go ahead and put our USB charging cable in. So this simply just comes right off. So you can see here, your charging port just simply fits inside the vehicle like this. And you just want to slip your cover on, you know, before you start driving your car. So, alright, so now we got that part taken care of. Let's go ahead and take a look at the car itself here, now that we have it out of the packaging, and before we put the batteries in. So for those of you who are new to... So for those of you who do not know what this is the C8 Chevrolet Corvette, which is a European design. This one's similar to the Lamborghini, which I think is the one that inspired the C8 Corvette, the mid-engine design. So I've definitely seen a lot of C8s throughout the past couple of years since they were introduced. And our next unboxing video, I'll just tell you guys, it's a C6, 2006 C6 Corvette Z06. But anyway, so let's take a look at the car here before we continue on. So this is the front of the vehicle. So you got your really nice Corvette logo here. You also got the working headlights. See, so if I just tap on the side of the car, you can see the lights work. So that's definitely a nice add-on to have, with your muscle cars. So New Bright did a great job with the add-on here. And very, very awesome detail. I mean, just look at that detailing. That is something that really wanted me to get this car. Here's the back of the vehicle. And I'm also going to make like a little license plate for it. Because I do make scale license plates for these cars. So, of course, we'll make them for the state of PA. So, we're definitely going to do that. So we're going to go ahead and take the Try Me thing off here. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Should just come right off. It's like a little sensor thing. Alright, so our sticker just comes right off like that. So I'm gonna take this one off as well. So New Bright makes these cars very authentic and realistic, and now they just made them even more realistic by adding working lights to them. So I'm definitely fond of the working lights, you know, because this is actually my first RC car that I've ever bought that actually has working lights on it. So I'm going to take the other decal off here because it's just the New Bright decal. Yeah, so it doesn't really faze me. So we're definitely going to leave our nice little... So also here's your Stingray logo right there to show what it is. And also you got your Corvette right on the front there. So now we're going to go ahead and do the initial test drive. So I'm going to pause you guys for a second here while I go ahead and put the batteries in. Alright, so now we got the batteries in. We got them in the transmitter, so we're going to go ahead and turn... So our transmitter is already set and ready to go. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and turn on the vehicle. So now you can see we have our... our vehicle is ready to drive. So guys, don't be surprised if my dogs start barking because they're not used to me having RC vehicles on the ground. So anyway, here's forward. Oh, okay. Something's not right. There we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and see, guys. This Oliver's following it. All right, so Oliver's following the car. It's okay, Pops. It's okay. So the dogs aren't used to, seeing RC cars being driven. So anyway, see, you can go forward. You can go backward with it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to adjust your wheel alignment here in case if something shouldn't go right. So you got your wheel alignment right here. So we're going to go ahead and turn that just a little bit to change the trim on the wheels, on the front wheels, so that way the car drives straight. Oh. Alright, so I just failed my driver's test. So anyway, that's our test drive there of my 2022 Corvette Stingray RC car. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, by the way. And in our next video, we're going to take a look at my 1/24 scale Z06. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next video, which will be another unboxing video.